Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For our next video is we're going to do now guys, meron akong i-unbox na okay. Ito ay tripod guys. Ayan. Tripod 3110. So di ko na i-mention guys kung magkano to guys. So nabili ko to sa tindahan lang guys. Dito sa aming syudad.
A few moments later.
Hindi ko na patatagalin guys. So simulan na natin ang pag-unbox nitong this product. So nabili ito kahapon pa guys. Kahapon pa. Ito na yung tripod guys. Yun na guys, yung ating tripod. So guys, tapos na ang ating unboxing sa tripod natin guys. Tripod 3110. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video.